Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's okay Angel. I'm back again with another video. So guys, in my today's video we're going to be talking about how to make money with your receipts. Yes guys, so here I got all my receipts, not all because I couldn't find them. I kept them somewhere, so I've been looking for them since morning. So this was what I was able to get. So guys, in today's video I'll teach you how to make money from with your receipts. So after buying something, please don't show your receipt away because it's very important. All right, so there's this should I say business, there's this thing going on about registering, and you have, anyways, you have to register with 85 euros, and then you have to get 40 points. That 40 points is about 200 euro receipt. So if you can get a receipt of 200 euros, so you are qualified to earn money. That means you have gotten your 40 points. Guys, you know, receipt is so in fact it's so easy to get. You don't need to stress yourself, look for somebody to give you receipt. You can just pick it on the floor. You know, a lot of people buy something and they just dump their receipt on the floor. Some don't even like taking their receipt. So guys, this is it. This is the strategy you need to use. All you have to do, whenever you get any receipt on the floor, pick it and keep it. All right, so when you get your first promotion, you can work hard. You don't even need to work hard. What am I even see? Even you yourself, you can even afford, when you buy something, you can get more than that. So all you have to do is just to keep the receipt, and you know, put it in. You wait for them to pay you monthly. So when you get for 200 points, 200 points is about 200 or something euros. And if you can bring, if 3 people under you, you'll be getting extra 100 or something euros. So they add it to it. I think they pay by dollar, so they add it to your money that you're supposed to get. Like maybe, for example, you're having this receipt, but why I hate it, like, guys, you know, I always say the truth. The reason why I dislike this so much is the fact that you have to, you can put more than 200, like because they know that definitely if people put more than that. All right, I know I'm confusing you guys right now. Let me just break it down. When you register, you can't put more than 40 20 200 euro, which is 40 points. So you can't put more than that, okay, because they don't want you to earn more. So you have to wait again for after 1 week before you can put another 40 points, which is 200 euro receipt. You have to wait for another week again before you can put another one. So in 4 weeks, which is a month, you can put up to 100 or something points. So which is 40 plus 40, 80, 160 for 400. So you're putting about 200, 200, 200, 200, which is 800 totally a month. So 800 will be giving you around 500 or something euro. So guys, this is very easy. You don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to look for someone to register, because you know, when you just get your receipt, you just put it there. But if you need extra cash, you can register someone and they add the money to you, so to your payment. So guys, that is it. It's just easy, very easy. I've never seen a easy business like this, but you know, now I know some people will ask me, have you registered, did it work out for you, and things like that. Well, I have not registered. Why? Because my account was blocked, like I said in my other video. So I have to face it before I can do anything right now. So you know, it's risky for me to travel, because I don't want whereby I travel and I won't be able to come back to my location. So I have to wait till the whole thing is over before I can boldly travel. So that is why I have not registered. But guys, don't miss this opportunity. And also they did offerta, should I say offerta, reduction of registration. from 100 from 85 euro to 55 euros, guys. Sorry I didn't make this video on time because I was quite busy with work, you know, so that is why I didn't make this video on time. Maybe some of you would have registered when the money was low. You can imagine they remove almost 30 euros, so that was a good one. I pray they do it again so I can inform you guys on time. In case anyone wants to register, you can register when it's cheap, it's more better, and you know, it costs you lesser money. So guys, I'll be ending the video right now, and I want to say a very big thank you to all my supporters out there, those that have been watching my video, sharing my video, and calling me to ask me some questions. I really appreciate, like, guys, I